Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Pieverse token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Pieverse is a Web3 payment compliance infrastructure that transforms blockchain timestamp into legally recognized businesses ready records by combining on-chain proofs, transaction context, and jurisdiction-specific compliance intelligence. Pivers enable businesses, freelancers, and DAOs to make crypto payments that are verifiable, auditable, and compliant across multiple jurisdictions. The projects evolved from its time FI foundation into a time stamping layer for compliant value exchange, bridging blockchain transactions with real world finance. Pivers token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 175 million. Pieverse token is listed on Binance Alpha and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.